Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. We're here with another review, if you may say, or just another tour. We're at the Ocho Rios Fishing Village, developed by the Port Authority of Jamaica. I think they're about what, 18 months old, 2 years old, since this complex was open. Right outside of Ocho Rios, St. Anne's, Jamaica, right beside the Island Village Shopping Center as well. So we're gonna take a walk through, show you guys around the place. You guys remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to comment and share. So watch to the end guys and just come along while we take a tour of this facility. Alright, so let's enter. Alright guys, so you have a lot of shops and a lot of restaurants as well. So this is some history behind the complex. Alright, so Lobster Dave, a very popular restaurant. Alright guys, so there's a beach area right next to Margaritaville, right next to the island village. So they're literally separated by a fence. That's Island Village and the Ocho Rios Fishing Village. They're basically neighbors. And then we have the Ocean's 11 restaurant and bar over that side as well. Alright, so it's the first time I am coming on this complex, the Ocho Rios Fishing Village. If you guys have ever been here, let me know. If you guys have it on your list to visit, let me know. That's also the pier for the Ocho Rios cruise ship terminal. So when the cruise ships are in full swing, that's where they would dock and tourists come in, get processed, and then they're able to go to the island village shopping center and also the Ocho Rios fishing village as well. So a part of this is for the tourists, but as locals, we need to enjoy our own country as well. So you guys let me know if you have ever visited these locations. Remember to leave your comments. Let's start a discussion, guys. Let's start a discussion. Alright guys, so that's the Ocho Rios fishing village. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk over to the island village. So I'm gonna show you guys how close it is. Alright, so the main road is right here. Alright, so we're now on the main, just outside of Columbus Heights and Sky Castles. Alright, so we're right outside the island village now. Alright guys, so I recently did a full video on Island Village. So you guys can check out that for the full tour as well. So you guys can check out the Island Village full walkthrough. So as usual guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all your likes, all your comments. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe.